Removes 500% more plaque versus a regular manual toothbrush. 3D cleaning action oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to break up and remove plaque. 360-degree visible pressure sensor ensures that you don't press too hard on gums. Compatible with Oral-B brush heads for every oral care need. CrossAction, FlossAction, Precision Clean, 3D White, Sensitive Gum Care, Deep Sweep, Dual Clean. Oral-B is the #1 dentist-recommended toothbrush brand worldwide. The Oral-B Smart 1500 Power Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush provides a clinically proven superior clean versus a regular manual toothbrush. The professionally inspired design of the CrossAction toothbrush head surrounds each tooth with bristles angled at 16 degrees and 100% better gum health versus a regular manual toothbrush. The brush's 3D cleaning action oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to break up plaque. The pressure sensor lights up if you brush too hard to prevent harmful overbrushing. The brush has one mode, plus an in-handle timer to help you brush for a dentist-recommended 2 minutes. Best of all, it is brought to you by Oral-B, the #1 brand used by dentists worldwide. Top reviews from the United States. Oral-B 1500 versus Philips Sonicare 4100. I tried to replace my much-loved Philips Sonicare 4100 with a new one, but they changed something and I returned the new one because it didn't have the power or vibration that the older version had, which made it pretty much equivalent to using a manual toothbrush. I did my research and decided to try the Oral-B 1500.